Alright, we're looking at surface area of a sphere, and using the surface area formula above, pi r squared times 4, basically the area of 4 circles, we can solve this. And so I've been given a diameter of 14, which is going to mean that my radius is 7, so it's 4 pi 7 squared, or 196 pi square inches. That's my exact answer. If I wanted to round it, then I'd plug that into my calculator and I get around 615.8 square inches, depending on what I use for pi. For the next one, we need to find the surface area given a circumference. Well, it means we have to find the radius. I know the circumference is 18 inches, which is 2 pi r. Divide that by 2 pi, and I get round 2.9 inches. And I can round that differently if I want. And then I plug that into the surface area formula. So 4 pi r squared, 4 pi times 2.9 squared. I plug it in, I get around 106 square inches. So again, I had to find the radius before I could do anything with that. For this one, I need to find the volume given a diameter. Well, volume is 4/3 pi r cubed, and so I have to figure out the radius, which is easy, it's 30 inches. So I plug that in, 4/3 pi r cubed, where r is 30, and when I work through that, I get around 36,000 pi cubic inches. If I wanted an approximation, use 3.14, your pi button, or 22/7, something to approximate pi, and you get a decimal answer. The last one, I've been given a volume and I want to find the surface area. So again, this is similar to the one before. I need to find the radius and then plug that into the surface area formula. So that's my volume formula. I know that it should equal 4,200. To get rid of this 4/3, I can either divide by 4/3 or multiply everything by 3/4. It's the same thing. I have pi r cubed. Divide by pi, and you're going to get something. 1002.7 is r cubed. You take the cube root, just like they did up here, the cube root, either on your calculator, and you get a value for r, which in this case is around 10. And so I use that in my surface area formula, 4 pi r squared, and it becomes 400 pi, which is around 1,256 square feet.